after the end of the Millennium Development Goals, which ended in December 2015, there was a need to focus on broader strategic goals for inclusive development for the rest of the world. And so this theme around sustainable development was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly. So the General Assembly is a political organization, so there are always competing interests. Different states have different priorities that they'd like to raise. One of the things about the Sustainable Development Goals is through this negotiation process, there's something in it for everyone. So lots of states will be engaged and will be pushing for and promoting areas that are of interest to them. So there are 17 Sustainable Development Goals, so that's a lot. But there are three that I'd like to highlight, I think, that are important. So 4, 10, and 11. 4 is around quality education. It's pretty well recognized that education plays a critical role in sustainable development, so that'll be a focus area. Reducing inequality is another area, and inclusive cities is one that we've been focusing on a lot that we think will get a lot of attention. I think SDG 11 is generating a lot of excitement around involvement of stakeholders. SDG 11 is around sustainable cities and communities, and it's related to Habitat 3, which is the UN Conference on Housing and Sustainable Urban Development. Habitat 3 has created this General Assembly of Partners, which has 16 stakeholder groupings that are involved in setting the new urban agenda. Through our work in the AU Institute on Disability and Public Policy, we were able to become the 16th major group, and we were able to get 15 different references to persons with disabilities into the new urban agenda. And so now that the new urban agenda is related to inclusive, sustainable cities, it will set that agenda for the next 20 years, which is even longer than the SDGs, which will go for 15 years. So with the Sustainable Development Goals, when they were adopted by the General Assembly, they also included the high-level political framework. And the high-level political framework, or the HLPF, uses the major groups and other stakeholders, like persons with disabilities. So there are a number of ways now that these organized groups can become more involved in the follow-up and implementation of the SDGs.